Welcome back, folks. We have started another exercise where our learners here in the simulator are going to work. But before that, I am going to give you the explanation or the status. The condition here at the moment for our ship is that we have got number of we have already done the removing of the oxygen. We have inerted our tanks. Some of our tanks are 5.2 kilopascal, 5.1 kilopascal, and some of them are just zero pressure. So we will see what is happening at the moment in this tanks. So now you will see that there are multiple type of alarms have come, but none of them are flickering. So means once we have done the inerting of the tank, we have acknowledged those alarms. Initially we have balanced the ship by doing balancing. Now our job is to get the liquid from the shore and start gassing up. So let's see, are we connected to the shore? Yes, we are connected to the shore. All our lines, 5 chicks and arms are connected to the shore. Okay, so we can take the liquid in and we can give the vapor out. All the valves at the moment are closed. So we will do the line setup for taking the liquid in and giving the vapor out. But remember, before that we will have to do an hot ESD test. ESD tests are where we are checking if these valves close automatically when any emergency arises. And of course we note down the time, how much time they are taking to close it. Normally it takes around 20 seconds to 30 seconds to close it, but different ships it could be different. So in the machinery room, let's go there. We have got the our compressors on standby. If we want to run the compressor, we'll have to run the nitrogen. Our vaporizer valves, everything is closed, so we will open it when it is required. We will be seeing these are our compressors, vane angles, etc., all the powers we need to put on standby, all of them. Those which are not standby. Then of course we have got the RLD compressor, low duty compressor. Again, if you may need them, put them on standby. And of course then we have got our heaters, if we may require them, our vaporizer. Mind that the model which I have given you is the NO96 type model. This is the third model we are witnessing so far in this course, and we keep on changing the different ships or different system. Here you can see it is in nitrogen filling mode. Here then we have got after this we have got the nitrogen system in the tank, NO96 tank. You can see it is little bit different to the one we have seen, the MK3 prismatic tanks. So at the moment there were two alarms here. The nitrogen, you can see the valves are open, so the nitrogen gas is going inside the tank and interbarrier spaces and and the pressure is maintained. You can see the pressure here is 0.4 kPa and 0.5 kPa. All of them are maintained, and if we go to the nitrogen generation system, we will be able to see that our buffer tank is already pressurized to 800 kPa. So technically we have got this system running, and you may notice time to time the valves are opening. You see this valve has opened automatically. Just for a little while this valve is open, so whenever the pressure drops in any area, these valves open and take the pressure from the buffer tank and give it to wherever required. You can see the supply of nitrogen is maintained. It is maintained automatically because yesterday we have started the nitrogen generator and we have put it on automatic supply. And here you have got the at the back and the nitrogen generator itself, which is on automatic mode. So you can see we have got nitrogen supply very high, and we have acknowledged that alarm. Of course, 800 bar, if it goes kPa, sorry, not bar, is the pressure maintained there. Now we will look at the glycol system. The glycol tank. At the moment here, the other equipments which are here, we may not be able to go in the because of the time limitation in every single process of filling glycol into the system, etc., etc. But we will show it running. So this is an steam system. Steam coming to us from the boilers. The steam supply is already on at 734 kPa, and our only job is to open the inlet valve and the outlet valve, however we may want to do it. This is the drain line which I was telling you earlier. We can open this valve and drain it accordingly. Okay. So let's move on further, folks. Any questions so far?
This drain has to be on the deck, or it has to be in some tank?
No. It is going in the tank, not on the deck. Okay. Not on the deck. Because by that there is steam inside. It is going in the tank. So this is the temperature monitoring. At the moment, we'll go to the deck first and see what is the temperature. Our outside temperature at the moment, 18 knots wind, 20 degrees centigrade. So if I go to my tanks, they are slightly hotter than outside air temperature. Some are 20.2. The tanks are 20.2. This is the port side wall, starboard side wall, etc. And it is showing all the bird's eye view and the side view. Okay, so you can see how the tank temperatures are maintained, top, bottom, sides on different level, etc. Happy? There are no alarms for low temperature anywhere. And then of course this is our ballast condition which we have done. If we are going to use the inert gas, we'll have to open this valve, otherwise there is no need. Auxiliary tank and the step. So let's now press on. So first thing, we need to test the environment in our tank. Can we put the hydrocarbon gas in our tank as our O2 content is below 5%, isn't it? So let's go and check here at this point. Remember to purge the air. You see, with the air it is going higher now. We are purging air, we are cleaning the line because we want to sample. Line is clear. 20.8 the oxygen amount. Now go down here, tank, and analyze. 1.14% of oxygen. Very good. So our tanks are inerted. Let's go here on middle. Again, purge it in the between. Every time you take a sample, you will have to purge it. Happy? Purge. Now go there and take a sample. At the same time, also watch the dew point.
It should be between -40 to -50. Right?
Yeah. Ideally, -40, but we have got a very good dew point. But you see, our carbon content is very high. Carbon dioxide is 17.8%. We want zero, nearly virtually zero. Otherwise, all this carbon is going to freeze, isn't it? Do you agree here? So, this is what let's try one top here. I'm expecting a little lower amount of oxygen, higher inert gas here. Let's purge it for 2 minutes. You can see the O2 content. Fine. Let's go on the top and test it. 1.08%. Wonderful. Dew point -151 degree. This is okay. That is a problem. We need to get rid of this. And how we are going to do it? By replacing it with the hydrocarbon or with the gas. But now, tell me, can I start the cargo or take the liquid from shore? No.
Because CO2 is there, so it will hydrate.
So I will not do that. Can you think of something else?
To replace CO2 with
little louder. What do you think? Have you gone here? And you have got to run the water on the manifold area, because now your Chickson arms are connected and you need to make sure that the water is running in the manifold area, okay, on all the sides. Once we have got that thing up and running, which is running at the moment, we will also have to connect the umbilical cord or ESD cable, emergency shutdown cable, from the shore.
From where do we start the water?
It is coming from the ballast system.
Okay.
It is from here. If you go on the inert gas, here is inert gas. Just bear with me. Not here.
Inert gas is in the ballast only. There's a line.
There you go.
Okay.
Because if the seawater pump is running, then it is because if this is running, otherwise we'll start the ballast pump or the pump.
Inert gas is through engine room.
No, we don't want inert gas now.
Okay.
Inert gas is stopped. We have inerted the tanks.
Yeah.
And can you see we have switched off? It is stripped. And we have got pressure in our tanks, 5.2 kPa in our system. So we have switched off everything. And now our tanks are inerted. We have checked the environment in the tank. Only thing what is running is our nitrogen generator. This thing is on. And it is maintaining a pressure of 800 kPa. This is what we have set. Today dew point is -42, which is good for us. No. And the pressure, which we can regulate this pressure, for different spaces. So Anyway, it is this is the temperature monitoring of the tank, and so let's go now to and connect with the shore the umbilical cord. Before we do that, you can see there is no flow in any one of them. Okay, wind direction southerly, it is okay for us. 18 knots wind, fairly good, 1000 millibar bound by pressure, 20 degrees centigrade. Hydraulic system is on, control air pressure is on. So now we will choose what kind of shore connection or umbilical cord or ESD emergency shutdown system we will do. Okay? Optical fiber.
Probably that's the best.
What is, yeah, optical fiber is the good one, but of course we are dependent on what the terminal has, because our system is supposed to be the same. Yes, in this case we will connect the optical fiber. So can you now connect it on your ship? Yeah, click on to optical and on. Oh, no, don't activate ESD, please. All right. Now, after a little while, you can now click anywhere else. Now you will be able to see that your optical fiber cable is attached to it. Now, can you go on the manifold and open the manifold valves, because this is what we are going to test. At this stage, we will make sure that our boil off gas valve is closed before we test the ESD, because all the valves are going to be closed automatically. So of course we don't have gas, so engine room may not be consuming our gas, so that is okay. Or open it. Brilliant. Now I'm going outside to the terminal.
Why would you not open the middle one?
Yeah, we are opening.
Yeah.
So now I'm going on the terminal. You will have to make the terminal standby. We will be on the radio contact now. I will call you from the radio, and once you both are in standby, we will give the countdown. If it is ship activated ESD, the ship will give countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ESD. In this case, I will from the shore will activate this one, and what you will do physically, you will check if these valves are closing manually on your ship, because these now the people need to be standby on the manifold. Now you see earlier on there was no pressure here. The moment you have opened these valves, whatever the pressure in your line or inert gas has gone into their line.
But the middle manifold has got no pressure.
No, because it is just a venting.
Okay.
Are we happy here?
Yes, sir.
Because we are not having any pressure. Okay. So now I'll go call you from the terminal, and you will go to the ESD page. Go on the ESD, or there is an ESD here. Once we will give you a countdown, you will activate that one. Okay?
So ESD we activate or the shore activates?
I'm going to activate it from my side, and then you are going to activate it from your side.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So it is both need to be done. This is a hot ESD. Okay? We are doing it. Okay, bunker vessel on jetty number 2. This is terminal calling. Can we have an ESD test?
Yes.
Are you standby?
Yes, we are.
You are standing by. Okay. I'm giving you a countdown. Can you please watch your manifold closing in your time?
Roger that.
So,
should I also
stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. ESD activated. Can you watch if your valves are closing?
No.
No. ESD operation not successful. So we will connect the line again, and this is the time where we will do it again. I think it is activated.
It's activating.
All right. It was activated. So, but it is taking time on your end also. So we will again reset it. We have got on the shore a low control air pressure alarm. Can you also see on your status?
There are no alarms. Okay, status.
We have a control air problem.
Yes.
Okay. We'll reset it. We'll fix it, and then we will do the ship at okay, ship on terminal here. Can we have your hot ESD? Can you open your valves, manifold valves, please?
Yes.
Are you watching? See how it is happening.
Sir, when you activate, we don't have to activate. We just have to stand by and look at it.
You just stand by and watch if your valves are closing by my activation.
Okay.
And of course, it is my chicks and arm valves which are going to close as well. So I'm watching my arms valves, which you obviously cannot see on your panel, but I can see on my control panel.
So in this, the malfunction was from our end, or?
It was the actually the low control air pressure from your end. But we have this because what happens normally, because sometime when there is so many valves closing at the same time, multiple valves closing at the same time, we have a drop of hydraulic pressure and the control air pressure, etc., etc. Okay, so this time now we are going to do it rather than optic fiber. We'll connect the electrical one. We will connect the electrical cable. Okay. Switch off the optical. Now it will be ship activated. So I'm go and stand by on my control panel.
Terminal standby.
Yes. Now you are going to give me the countdown.
Okay.
And I will watch my chicks and arms to be closing. And we are now connected with the electrical cable. Okay.
Terminal, I'm going to activate the emergency shutdown after 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and activate.
Roger, received your ESD. My chicks and arms are closing. Is your valve closing, sir?
Yes, my valves are also closing.
My valves have closed in 22 seconds.
My valves have also closed.
All right, lovely, lovely. So ESD is okay. ESD done, recording vessel can load. get the cargo.
No.
Okay. Can you have your line set up for taking the liquid to your tank? I'll give you from one section arm, which will be my last section arm, L4. Now take from the liquid from here, and how I'm going, or take the liquid from here maybe, and take it there because it is direct line. Just close this one.
Okay.
Okay, open this one, line setup. Now you are taking a liquid into the liquid header.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And
now
open this one also?
Can you no, not now. This is the last valve even, because you don't want any flow from shore to coming in while you are setting up, because now your lines are warm. You will have to do line cooling first. Okay. You see the temperature here is 20 degrees centigrade. So first, very slowly, gently, you will do the line cooling. Okay. Now, can you go on the tank? No, that was individual cargo tanks. The lines, cargo pipe. Now, what we'll do is we want to give it from the spray header, which is a gray line.
Okay, so all the spray headers?
Yeah, all maybe all the spray headers.
All the tanks.
Yeah, no problem. If you want to do all tanks at simultaneous. No, that is not in a spray header. That is a bottom line.
Okay, yeah.
Just close it. Just open the spray headers.
Oh, only two of them. Okay.
Yeah. You remember the NO96, the round one,
yes,
which is one the higher capacity, 100 cubic, 130 cubic.
Yes, sir.
But since our tanks are warm, we need this to happen, so we can use both of them. Okay. Now the line, we can take it from there or take it from here. So open these valves, all four of them. Okay, that makes sense now?
Yes, sir.
Now, where the liquid is going here, open that. You can also open that because you want the liquid to flow there. Now it is going to the manifold. So take it to the manifold, open this valve, and stop there. Now you can go there and take the liquid from there. So can you go on the manifold now?
Yeah. So this one is also open?
Just close it. Just close it. Close it. So now what is happening, that I've told you that I'll take it from, give you from L4. So you will technically take it from here to your spray headers, and you will. So now your liquid can flow to the tank or to your spray headers. Okay?
Yes.
Your water is running. But can I give you the liquid at the moment? No. Why can't I do that? Or can you open the valve? You can't. Because, no. Go on your status, because the shore need to reset. Status page is the most important. Reset. So go there, click on there, and reset it. Okay? And I will go on my terminal and reset it on the shore side. So it is now reset on the shore side. So now we have got both on the same. So you will just check the line again.
Yes, sir. Okay, this one is connected.
Happy?
Happy, sir.
You are. Can you go on the main line also? Are we happy here? No, this you are going from port side manifold to starboard. We are only connected on the port side. So once you open the valve, you will not open this valve.
Okay.
You will open this valve, you will get it into the spray headers, bring it down. No, don't take it there. Bring it down, going down here, and then you are going left and right.
Yeah.
Okay? On forward and aft. Okay. Now you want to initially also, because now you will be, the gas vapor will generate in your tank.
Yeah, sir.
You need to didn't I tell you that we always have the something loading and something going out. So we need to take out something. So can you go on the tank, individual tanks?
So before, I was just checking the temperatures. This temperature is 102 for the spray header.
Yeah, it is don't worry about that. It is because it is fluctuating at the moment. So now, come here on the tanks, last page. You want to take out the vapors, isn't it? So can you open this valve on all the tanks? Go to number 2 tank. And open the valve. And do it for all the tanks. In the meantime, I'll check the other student. No, not. You have only 4 tanks. Clear. So, go on the cargo pipelines. So now, your tank outlet valves are open.
Yes, sir.
You are throwing in something. Your pressure should now be, the pressure from here is equalizing over there. Earlier on, there was less pressure there. But now, you will be able to take the vapor out. Open this valve. And at the last, you will give, when your pressure start building, you can give directly to the shore in the beginning. Later, in the second exercise, I will show you that how we can run the compressors and give the vapor at the faster rate when we have got a faster boil off in the tanks. Okay? So, are we ready now?
Yes, sir.
Our water is running. We have done the ship shore safety checklist. We have talked to the people ashore. They are ready to give us the liquid. So now we will ask the shore to supply you with a very little amount of liquid, and you open your valve very, very slowly. Okay? No, just open it. And now go on the status page or manifold. Go on the manifold, please, because at this stage you will have people on standby on the manifold. Just call the shore and ask them to increase the flow. Ship on terminal, are you getting my liquid?
How do I check?
The temperature will drop.
Okay. Not yet.
Open the other valve. देखो बंदा.
Sir, this valve we will close, right? Because we are taking like this.
Just we are cooling down the line.
Okay.
We are giving it very slow.
So this is like 10 degrees every hour. It comes down.
Yes.
So that means the starting procedure is very slow. It takes time.
Yes. Starting procedures is always very slow. Okay. Now I'll stop the exercise here because you have done everything right here. I'm going to load another exercise where you will be getting the liquid. Okay.
Yes, sir. No, it's gone.
Just bear with me 2 minutes. It should be loading shortly.
So normally when you have to load, suppose say a ship of 100,000 tonnage, so when the ship is alongside the berth, so to start the procedure, it takes around 2 to 3 hours, cooling down and then start loading.
Different terminals have got different procedures or timing. Again, it depends on the machinery, equipment, how fast they are able to do certain things.
Like now they are building one LNG terminal at Kitimat over Vancouver. So that place is quite cold. The temperature goes up to -20. So if the ambient temperature is colder, so it takes less
It will
time.
make the life easier.
Easy.
Because in the Middle Eastern countries, it is little bit problem. We'll upload the exercise after the break.